Hey guys, welcome to my beautiful family. This is Ndzally Raregem, and thank you guys to each and every person who managed to encourage me and support me to start this YouTube channel. Thank you. So this is my very first video, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my brows. So as we all know that brows are evolving each and every day, so we got to move with the flow, guys. Like we have to. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I do brows, and I hope you guys will enjoy the video. Don't forget to leave a comment, to like, and also to subscribe to my channel. So guys, I say cheers to grow. This tutorial will not be detailed, but I hope it will give you an idea on how you're actually supposed to do your brows. Firstly, you will need a spoolie to brush your brows, or you can use an old toothbrush, you can use a small comb, or anything that you can actually find relevant to brush your brows. And this helps you detangle your hair, and also it provides a guideline on how you're actually supposed to do your brows. As soon as you're done with that, you will need a pencil. And to all the beginners, please try to use a brown pencil as possible, because the trick is to get your brows to look all natural as possible. So draw your brows in a direction or in a part that you've already created using your spoolie. And whenever you're filling your brows, please try to be as light-handed as possible. When you're done, you can brush your brows again just to make sure that everything is all fine. But I prefer to just put a gel on top of that. So with a brow gel, it helps you plaster your brows in one direction, and also to ensure that they are settled in that direction. Brush. Brush until you achieve your desired shade of your brows. And as soon as you are done brushing, you can just try to clean up the excess gel as much as possible using a spoolie. And as soon as you're done with that, you will need a concealer brush, and also your concealer. If you don't have a concealer, you can actually use your foundation. So in this tutorial, I was using a foundation myself. When you're applying your concealer, try to apply it in a part that you've already created when you were drawing your brows. Actually, a concealer is meant for you to, just correct your brows and make sure that they look all good. Try to shape them in that desired shape that you've already created, and please blend your concealer, guys. And go ahead and conceal your brows. And also, when you're applying your concealer, don't be too harsh and don't be in a hurry. Try to apply as smooth as possible. Just also be light-handed when you're doing that. This will ensure that your brows also get to look the same. And guys, you must bear in mind that brows are not twins. Maybe I can say they are sisters. They don't look alike. And when you're done concealing your brows, you got to make sure that at least they try to look alike as much as possible. So when you're done, you have to fix the front part of your brows to make sure that they look natural. You can fix that using your concealer brush, and voila, there we go. So sometimes when you're applying a concealer, you realize that it was not supposed to be, in this part and all that. Take a spoolie and fix it, just like myself. I actually realized that I did some mistake. And blend your brows and blend. The key is with you blending your brows, blend. And there we go, guys. We have our desired brows. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, and share. There we go. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, thank you. Love you and God bless.